Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how do you use XP doublers in Brawl Stars. So this will be a complete guide, so make sure you follow this video till the end. Now the very first thing is that to use this XP you need XP, right? So from where you can get it? The very first solution is that play a game. As much as you play you will get more and more XP here, and as you can see here, just played a game and I earned a reward. So let's just go and click on here. I will just get a 200 or something. So this is one of the kind upgrading brawls here, so that's really good. So these are these XPs which again, this is not exactly XP but you can see your rewards or something. So XP is usually you get it from the while playing the game, right? And here I got it, but I can always purchase this stuff here, and as well as I can see here I just got this here too, 500. That's really interesting, and you can just get as much as you want. Now these are the brawlers, so you can just use this XP and this everything here to upgrade this up, right? So let's say I just upgrade this character, and here I will just go and select it. Now here it will ask me to play once again, but you can go to the shop if you just want instant XP or something. Right here you will get a lot of passes and a lot of offers which you will require to use a real money. Yes, so here these are this stuff here, but if you want to get some free, you just keep scrolling and somewhere you will get this kind of free stuff here which I can use it, which I will get a free complete reward. Okay, I should get it right now. Okay, so here I got power points. That's really interesting, right? And if you just go to the daily freebie, it will just drag you to here and you can just use it, right? So it's completely up to you how you want to get. For example, if you have any content creator boost or something, you can also use it here. So I showed you from where you can get it. Now let's talk about understanding the XP doublers here. So XP is basically you can call it experience, right? XP doublers are designed to double the amount of experience point that is called XP earned from the battles and brawl passes quest here. This can significantly accelerate your progression in the game, right? So as much as you get the XP, the level of this character will increase, as well as your overall game here. Now when you engage in battle, engage in the battle means when you just go and play here any of the XP battles, right? Automatically you will get XP earned and double if you have XP doublers available. This include XP gain from winning or losing matches, right? So even though if you just lose a match, you will get some kind of XP here. So you can earn a maximum of 20 battles XP per hour with a cap of 200 XP that can be doubled through XP doublers. This means that while they are enhanced experience gain, there will still limits to how much you can benefit from them in a given time frame, right? And note that XP from quest does not get doubled by XP doublers. You can purchase XP doublers, which I can show you from the shop section here, and obtain them through various rewards such as star drops or daily freebies here, and the daily freebies here something, right? And keep track of how many XP doublers you have, as they do not automatically activate. They simply enhance your XP you earn during your gameplay. So it's completely up to you. If you just strategically use your XP doublers during gameplay, especially during high stakes matches, you can maximize your experience gain and progress more quickly in Brawl Stars. So this is it, guys. I hope I gave you complete information about XP doublers and how you can use it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.